Ideal scenarios for Powua IoT are predictive maintenance or the creation of intelligent machinery. Thanks to Powua, companies can implement an efficient preventive maintenance strategy for a correct system analysis, have a predictive maintenance program to avoid failures and malfunctions, and set alarms based on intervention and maintenance needs. Furthermore, without consulting a team of experts, Powua can perform intelligent analysis and root cause analysis through the use of machine learning and artificial intelligence. Powua makes machines and production lines intelligent through the integration of IoT sensors, actuators, and edge computing components. Thanks to its artificial intelligence and self-learning algorithms, it performs real-time processing, generates alarms for anomalies, and initiates automatic management processes. In this scenario, machine manufacturers will also be able to make their industrial machines intelligent by providing a remote control and remote maintenance system to supply machines to industries that are already in line with the Industry 4.0 model, and to collect usage statistics that help improve the machines themselves